You guys, it is the day everyone has been waiting for, my unboxing of my Jeffree Star Deluxe box and Supreme box for Valentine's Day of 2022, as well as my giveaway video, which I'm so excited about. So we're going to put together all of the products from these two boxes and my Beautylish surprise bag that I'm going to be putting in the giveaway for you guys, and I'm really excited. Plus, today my Lunar Beauty mystery boxes are out for delivery, so after this video, you guys will see my Lunar Beauty mystery unboxing as well, which I'm so excited about. But anyways, if you are into these types of videos for me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And don't forget to subscribe for the giveaway and all of that jazz. Stay tuned until the end of the video, or the middle, whenever I say it, I'm not sure, for all the giveaway details and all of that, plus bonus entries, of course, as always. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the Deluxe box, and I'm actually really happy how he did the boxes this time. He didn't like super tape them shut, and something about the boxes just feel like way better quality. I don't know, but they came in like a bigger box, so these two were in another box. So I really like, oh, look, that was really easy to open. And oh, his tissue paper is pastel. Super cute. We love the paper. Okay. Alright, so here are all of the products. First thing I want to look at is this bag because it looks so small. Okay, so here's the bag, you guys. Yeah, it's definitely small. Like, here's my Kylie mirror. Here's my iPhone. Here's the Beauty Killer palette next to it. What else can I compare? I don't know. Here's a little setting spray that won't even really fit. A Milani lipstick will fit. Oh my goodness, this is so small. I was hoping it would be like a smidge bigger. Like, look at the Magic Star powder. This would barely even fit in there, and that's like the only thing you're going to be able to fit in there. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad that this is so small. Okay, so the straps aren't in here, so this is going to be like a little side bag. Wow, I'm just like, this is so small. Okay, so there's the bag. I spent like 20 minutes talking about that. We also have these single shadows here. We have the Morgue. We have Bite Me, heavy weighted, and tax free. So we have those. And then the exclusive liquid lip right here. This is in Pink Kitten. The exclusive liquid lip in the Supreme box, somebody compared it to, I think it was the Unicorn Blood shade, and it literally looked identical. So if you guys have Unicorn Blood, I don't think I have that one anymore, and you compare it to the other two, let me know down below if you guys think it's like pretty much the exact same shade, because ew, this looks like really dry. Why does this look so dry? Actually, it looks really dry in the tube too. Hold on. Wait. Look, it's like, did anybody else's look like super dry? Like, I'm actually scooping the sides of it because it's like so dry. I hope my camera zooms long enough. It's just, hold on. What is up with that? Okay. Maybe it's because it's like metallic-y. I don't know, but even like on here, it looks like really dry. I don't know. Okay, let me just take some of that off and swatch it. Yeah, it feels really, really dry. Is that just me? Like, maybe it, I don't know. It kind of has like a whipped feeling to it. It might just be like the formula. It feels kind of whip-like a whip metallic, but I don't know if I'm gonna like this. So yeah, anyways, I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, next up we have a Supreme Frost in the shade Wet Dream. I have not had this shade before. I don't even know what it looks like. I think it's a lighter shade. Oh, no, it's like golden, so this isn't gonna work for me because his shades, if it's not like pure ice, even those though as well, give me dark cast, so I'm not gonna be able to use this shade, unfortunately. Okay, so... Alright, next up we have a lip liner in Posh Spice, which is one of my favorite liquid lips from him, so very excited to have this, and yeah, I'm going to add that to my Jeffree Star collection because I love Posh Spice. For the palette, I got a mini controversy palette. I've had this already several times. And then we have, of course, the Orgy palette. You guys already knew that was coming. And then Jeffree Star Skin is coming to 25/22. And we have Here for the Nudes, or Open Here for Nudes. This is volume 2. I was hoping for the purple. So we have volume 2. We have I'm Nude. The stickers are coming off of these. Oh my goodness. Okay. We have I'm Nude, Birthday Suit, Top Shelf, Christmas Cookie, Hidden Hills, Dominatrix, Family Jewels, and Tasty. There we go. So that's everything in this box here. And then for the Supreme, let's see what we got in here. I love how easy these are like to open. All right. Tissue paper. Okay. I have another Here for the Nudes, or Open for Nudes. This is the first volume, which is my favorite volume. We have Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Madder, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. All my favorite nudes all in one. Love that. Okay, and then the t-shirt, which I'm like really excited about this shirt, you guys. So excited. I think this is like one of the cutest ones he has ever come out with. I really like the Can't Relate one from the holiday or Halloween 2019 where it's like the snap, but it's like the zombie fingers. But I can't find it. It's somewhere in this house, but I cannot find it. And I haven't worn it since like the beginning of 2020. I have not been able to find that shirt, but I have it. This is so pretty. It's like the cutest pink tones on the back. Like, how cute is that? I can't wait to wash that and use it because it has that t-shirt smell. Okay. Oh, thank goodness. I got the strawberry gum shade or flavor. I've never had this one. Thank God it wasn't grapefruit. You guys know from my video that I was like, please don't let me have that one. And then we have some singles here. We have Razor Blade. We have 1985, Divine Intervention, Freak Show, and Private Island. I might throw all of these singles up on Poshmark just because, you know, if you guys actually want to get them, then, you know, you have that opportunity. Then we have a Supreme Gloss in Improper. Very exciting. This was like that dark mauve color, which, ooh, yeah. This is my first Supreme Gloss, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, let me swatch it. Oh, yeah, this is gorgeous. Look how pigmented that gloss is, y'all. I love purple, so I'm actually really excited about this Supreme Gloss. Okay, so excited. Okay. Okay. Okay, Cutthroat Love, exclusive liquid lip that everyone says looks like unicorn blood, or maybe it was the other one that's something blood, but here's the shade here. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Oh yeah, I could definitely see how people think it's that because it does look just like that. Maybe with kind of a reddish undertone. Yeah, not my shade. But it's still really, really, really pretty. And then we have here the concealer in yellow, which I'm actually kind of excited to try. Or do I even need it? No, I don't think I need it. I'm not going to need it. I'm not going to need it. I'm not going to need it. Okay. Then I have here a lip liner in a Calabasas. I actually already have this liner, so that's great. And then we have Let Me Be Perfectly Clear, which I've had before. And then we have Heaven's Gate, which I can't remember what this looks like, but I think I've also had it before. Oh yeah, it's this like icy light color, so let me put that back in the box because I'm not sure. A lot of this stuff I'm going to put in the giveaway, and then a lot of the other stuff I'm going to put on Poshmark just to recoup my money because I really just wanted the exclusives, really. So I have a Velvet Trap in Celebrity Skin, which I was hoping for. and I got. So I'm happy about that. This one is going to be one that is definitely going to get a lot of use. I love celebrity skin. Such a gorgeous nude. There we go. Nice little swatch. Oh yeah, baby. Pretty excited about that. Okay, that made like the whole box magical. Then we have the selfie light here, which I'm going to get a lot of use out of, especially for filming my gardening channel, farming channel, because I film with my phone because I don't want to drop it and break my camera because it's like expensive. So yeah, here's our little selfie light, you guys. So cute. Oh, here we go. Cute. Cool. Okay. Love that. Love that for us. Then we have another Orgy palette. Love that. Oh gosh. We have our Heartbreaker mirror, which I am not going to keep because maybe I will. I don't know. It just doesn't have the Jeffree touch, you know what I mean? So I'm kind of sad about it. Yeah. Anyways, okay. Very sad that it's like such a boring mirror. Just because it doesn't have the Jeffree touch. I would have liked a candy heart mirror. That would have been cool. Anyways, we have this last item here, which is the Supreme Frost, Skin Frost palette or whatever. Heartbreaker Skin Frost highlighting palette. I've been wanting to see this in person so bad. Packaging. Oh yeah. See, I'm not going to be able to use this because it's so like bright. Okay, so Single Forever is definitely like a pinky peach shade, pretty dark. Murderous Fun, it kind of does look exactly like Regina George, and Frosty Heart looks kind of like a pre-existing shade, maybe a little bit more purple. Not gonna get any use out of this. I'll probably throw this one up on my Poshmark for anybody that wants to grab an exclusive item. Anyways, so let me go through all of these items here, and I'm going to figure out what's going to go in the giveaway and what I'm going to throw up on my Poshmark and what I'm going to keep. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so everything that I'm going to be actually keeping is obviously the shirt because it's so cute. The selfie light because I really, really wanted it. I'm going to be keeping Posh Spice lip liner. The Celebrity Skin Velvet Trap, the Strawberry Gum Lip Scrub. I'm also going to be keeping the Here for the Nudes Volume 1 bundle because I love all of those nudes in that one. Everything else I'm going to be putting on my Poshmark and putting in like bundles and stuff for you guys. And then what I'm going to be giving away is actually 2 lip glosses in Let Me Be Perfectly Clear and Pretzel Drip. I'm also going to give away the Mini Controversy palette and as well as the Beauty Killer palette because I asked you guys in my Beautylish video which palette out of the 2 you guys would like to see in the giveaway, and you guys picked Beauty Killer. So these are the products that I'm going to be giving away. I will have all the details down below for when this giveaway is going to end and all of that jazz, as well as bonus entries if you so shall wish. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. I feel like this box in general broke the bank for me in the sense that there was just so much that I just don't need. I was really hoping for a lot more Valentine's themed items that were like, you know, everything pink, like Pink Religion and all of that, the Holy Mist and a few other products. But I did actually wind up keeping this round some products that I really, really wanted and really wanted to try, and things that I just needed to like have in my collection. And everything else was just bonuses, but I'm gonna obviously sell to recoup some of my money back because I was hoping that I would have wanted to keep more, but unfortunately I didn't. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I know a lot of you guys were disappointed in these boxes, and I totally understand where you're coming from. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!